Gloucester, it's all about supporting young people. We deliver scholarships and support packages for disadvantaged young people, give them opportunities they would not normally have, and trying to enhance their life the best way they can.
Oh, what a great weekend. Meeting new people and riding with my colleagues and now my friends. It's been an absolutely wonderful weekend, raising good money and for a great cause.
Even though it was nice to be away, it's always good to get away and raise some money for charity and people that are not as well off as others, and it's always good to come together and spend some time with a new bunch of people and learn all about new people and some new ways.
I can say I'm relieved and happy after 3 years we finally got here and been away with a like set of lunatics, especially some old friends from home and some old friends from the past and some new friends. It's good to be out on the bikes and shenanigans afterwards and show a little bit of the countryside that some people don't get to see, and what a great weekend and a great cause.
So I first heard about Gloucester from Michael from Home and Place, and when he said that there was a charity ride, it didn't take much to convince me to come along. Any opportunity to go on the bike and raise money for a good cause, particularly kids in need, was a no-brainer.